Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Lesson 1, Kinds of Plants, Period 3. Children, before we go ahead with our next topic, let's revise what we have learned in the last period. Children, let us revise herbs. Herbs are small and weak plants. Example, rice plant. Herbs live for a few months. Example, tomato plant. Children, let us revise climbers. What are climbers? Climbers are the plants with weak, thin and long stem. Example, grapevine. They need support to climb or to stand up. Example, money plant. Children, here is a small activity for you all. Here are few pictures of different kinds of plants. You have to recognize them and tell which kinds of plants are they. Are they shrub, tree, climber or herb? Okay children, let's begin. Now check your answer. First picture is of shrub. Correct. It is a bushy plant. Example is rose. Now check your second answer. Correct. It is a picture of tree. Example is Gulmohar tree. It is a tall and strong. Now check your third answer. Correct. It is a herb. Herbs are small and weak plant. Example is Tulsi plant. And the last picture is of, yes, climber. Example is grapevine. It needs support to climb or stand up. I hope you all have enjoyed. First, we will learn about creepers. Children, can you see this picture? Creepers are the plants with very weak stem. See the stem of the creeper, children. It is very weak and thin. Creepers cannot stand straight. Example is ridge gourd. Children, can you see the stem? It is very thin. Pumpkin, watermelon. These are the examples of creepers. Children, both creepers and climbers have very weak and thin stems. But There is a big difference between them. Can you see the difference between two pictures? What is that difference, children? Here it is. Creepers carry big and heavy fruits, while climbers do not carry big and heavy fruits. Example is pumpkin. An example of climber is pea plant. Children, now we are going to learn more about thorny plants. Thorny plants bear thorns. Best example is cactus. Can you see, children? These are the thorns of the cactus. Thorns means sharp points which looks like a needle. Children, thorny plants use very less water to grow. Thorny plants are mostly found in deserts where it is hot and dry climate and with very less rainfall. No, children, thorns protect these plants from animals. Yes, though the plants have thorn, they play important role. These thorns protect the plants from animals. Children, let us revise what we have learned about creepers and thorny plants. Creepers are the plants with weak stem. Creepers cannot stand straight. Example, pumpkin plant. Thorny plants bear thorns. Thorns protect these plants from animals. Example, cactus plant. Thank you, children. Read your lessons thoroughly. Do your classwork and homework regularly. Meet you soon in the next period. Till then, bye bye. Take care.